Welcome back to our channel. In this video we can see how to animate the pictures videos. So many YouTubers they created the animated videos and pictures. So we can know how to they create and how to they use and how which software they are using. So for that, in this video I can open Google Chrome or any online site. You can also open. So in this process we can type the animiz software, animiz.com. So click the animiz.com. Then we have to see here demo and free download. We can select the free download. Once it will be download here. So here we need to select this software will support only Windows. So it's not supported to MacBook or Mac Air, nothing. So here also we have two options. One is Windows x86, one is Windows x64. So I can select the 64. My system support will that only. So it will be download here. So if you not download, you can download. I already download. Once the download so once I already download, so here we can see animize. So after you need to install this one, select. So I can show you. I installed this app. So I will open this app. So I can close this. So I'm going to install next. I accept agreement next install. So it's going to install for few minutes. So finish, then finish. So it's shown here. So I will open this one. So it's open like this. So here we have a lot of templates like anything. So whatever you want to use, keep healthy and based on your story or based on your project. So we need to download everything from here. It's just free software, friends. So you have any videos, other videos you can install from camera, background, folder. If you want to bring that, you can bring from there. So we can play this scene. If you want add any text, you can add from here. So like this we can add anything. So it will be changed the border line. So if you want to know more details about this animiz, you can see another video. So this can we can use this software free option only for the Windows. So thank you for watching. If you not subscribe our channel, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. You can know more videos about the software and different. So please like and share, and please don't forget to subscribe. I need to your help, friends. Please subscribe. Thank you.